Today I am going to make this video how sales people or conference guys used to mislead to the top management. Just I will take one example. In microservices, another thing, there was a one they used to my some supervisor. I don't want to take his name. He attended some conference and he used to come like one benefit of the microservices. Another thing, you can use the different technologies. Like if you have resources of Java, .NET, PHP, Node, you can use your resources and you can develop your these services. There is no doubt it is true. But the same way, best practices and lot of other considerations you also need to think. If you'll go in this approach, might be front, like there are two kind of a cost you are aware about. One is the front end cost, how much you are buying, and second is operational cost. Same thing also happened about the software. One is the development cost and other is operational cost of that software for management, enhancement, and tomorrow if it is required to modernize that application, then that time how much cost is required during analysis and other phase. So you also need to think about that. Suppose in one application you have used the Java, Node.js. I have seen one application, it was written in the Node.js. Few resources are written Node.js. In the same is Java and other thing. That was delivered. But time of the development, lot of resources available. But when it's moved into the production, none of the company can afford to the same number of resources and it is also not required. But those used to provide the support. First thing, most of the time those has developed, they don't have to provide the support. Support team is also changing. So in case if you are using the too many technologies, the learning curve used to increase. So sales guy will never tell about that, the dark side or side effect of the particular things. They will only highlighted this, use this thing, this benefit, this benefit, this benefit. So don't trust blindly. First thing, think about the use case. Even though in the same program, same project, each application nature is different. Sometimes some application is more critical. Critical is point of the business, critical point of the security. So each application need to consider differently what is their requirement. So anything conference guys or sales guys is speaking, you also validate about the different parameters. Like learn curve is one major thing, manageability is another thing. So once you will consider about the learning curve measure and the manageability means operational cost, you will never go with different technology. Because few resources are going to handle if they are facing, suppose sometime it's happen only Java resource, then he will under pressure from management, you also learn the Node or .NET. Obviously he can't become the expert, and because he has to save his job, somehow he will manage in the .NET and Node. He can't, and that over the period of time that code become a garbage kind of thing, junk, lot of junk thing, because he just has to search from Google what code he will get in .NET Node, he will simply paste there. So my intention, sales and big conference, what they are saying, don't blindly trust, because they are salespeople. Every salespeople are service industry people. They want you should use the more complex thing so that manageability should be more complex. Then they can make more money. So their intention is to get a more business. So obviously they will try to indirectly, directly they will try, they are helping you, but indirectly their intention to make money. So just I took one example, using too much technology, increasing too much complexity. But sales people, if somebody has only came by attending the conference, oh no issue, we have a Node, we have a Java, we have .NET, let utilize those resources. Even though it is much more easier if they are supposed to up skill in one technology, like, say Java, it would be easy to manage over the period of the time. I have seen couple of the project in my life. One project I was that was in PHP. Even though in PHP somebody has a CGI Perl, whatever kind of resources was available, they have done the code. Even though if you are Java resource, after 20 years, the same code is very difficult. Those resources will come after 20 years to understand the Java. A lot of things used to change. So even though in the same technology, it's very difficult to manage and modernize. So think about that when you are using the different technologies. The technology also become old. Their library become old. So it's become very you can say mess. And but because of the salespeople, top management, actually they don't have to execute, they don't have to support. Support team is different, but salespeople used to convince and they used to take the decision. So my humble request: if you are a decision maker of any organization, please use your mind. Don't blind uh, trust on the sales or marketing people or any big conference and big organization, big conferences. Just go what they are saying, listen properly, and then validate. Use your mind ki how much it is suitable in your requirement. Then few things you will find in few scenario it is best, but in rest of the scenario you will find no, this is not this suitable, and that will make the entire software and much more manageable, and you can also make happy to your employees, and those are especially in production support. Thanks for watching my video.